Drones in 2026 range from genuine cinematic tools to durable kids' toys that survive crash after crash. And picking the right one for your skill level and budget makes all the difference. Whether you're buying for yourself or for your kids, I tested 5 of the best so you know exactly what you're getting. Let's get into it. The DJI Neo is the most accessible serious drone DJI has ever made, and it's genuinely changing what beginners can expect from their first flying experience. Weighing under 135 grams, the Neo skips most drone registration requirements in many regions, removing a common barrier for new pilots. Built-in propeller guards make it safe to fly indoors or close to people, and the palm takeoff and landing feature means you don't even need a controller to get started. Just toss it and let it fly. 4K video capture delivers genuinely impressive quality for the size, and intelligent tracking modes follow you automatically for hands-free content creation. The compact, lightweight design fits in a jacket pocket, and battery swaps are quick for extended flying sessions. For complete beginners, content creators wanting effortless aerial shots, or anyone who wants DJI's quality without the complexity of a full-size drone, the DJI Neo is the smartest, most approachable entry point into the DJI ecosystem in 2026. Check the link below and grab it today. Your first real drone starts here. The DJI Flip is DJI's next step up, combining serious camera capability with genuinely thoughtful safety engineering for pilots ready to move beyond entry-level drones. Full propeller guards encase the rotors completely, making this one of the safest drones on the market for flying around people and in tighter spaces. 4K HDR video and a 1/1.3-inch sensor deliver noticeably sharper, more detailed footage than smaller drones, genuinely rivaling dedicated camera drones twice its size. Obstacle avoidance sensors actively detect and navigate around obstructions, reducing crash risk significantly for less experienced pilots. The included RCN3 controller provides precise, responsive flight control with a familiar DJI interface that experienced pilots will recognize instantly. Intelligent flight modes, including active track and quick shots, automate cinematic shots without requiring advanced piloting skill. Battery life comfortably covers extended flying sessions, and the foldable design makes transport genuinely convenient. For intermediate pilots and content creators who want professional quality footage with genuine safety engineering built in, the DJI Flip is one of the most well-rounded drones available in 2026. The HolyStone HS210 is the genuinely durable, kid-friendly drone that's earned its reputation as one of the best first drones for younger pilots. Built with a lightweight, crash-resistant frame, the HS210 survives the inevitable collisions that come with learning to fly, and full propeller guards keep little fingers safe during operation. Altitude hold technology stabilizes the drone automatically, making it significantly easier for beginners to control without constant manual adjustment. 3-speed modes let young pilots progress from cautious, slow flying to more confident, faster control as their skills develop. Headless mode simplifies orientation control, removing the confusing front and back distinction that trips up new pilots. One-button takeoff and landing makes getting started genuinely effortless, and the affordable price point means replacement parts and even full replacements are accessible if something does eventually break. Battery life covers reasonable play sessions, and the compact size suits both indoor and outdoor flying in moderate weather. For parents buying a first drone for kids or teenagers, the HolyStone HS210 is the most practical, most forgiving choice on this entire list. The HoverAir X1 is the self-flying camera drone that requires genuinely zero piloting skill. And for content creators who want hands-free aerial footage, it solves the steepest learning curve of traditional drones entirely. Simply toss the X1 into the air and it automatically takes off, tracks you using onboard AI, and captures footage following preset flight patterns without any manual controller input. The palm-sized design fits easily in a pocket or small bag, and the 2.7K camera captures genuinely smooth, stabilized footage ideal for social media content. Multiple auto flight modes, including orbit, follow, and zoom-out reveal shots, produce cinematic results that would normally require significant piloting expertise. The intuitive companion app lets you preview and select flight patterns before launch, and battery life covers several flight sessions on a single charge. For vloggers, social media creators, and anyone who wants professional-looking aerial content without learning to actually fly a drone, the HoverAir X1 is the most effortless, most creator-friendly option on this entire list. Closing out the list with the BETAFPV Cetus Pro FPV kit, the complete entry point into first-person view drone racing and freestyle flying for anyone ready to learn genuine piloting skills. This all-in-one kit includes the drone, FPV goggles, and controller, removing the confusion of sourcing compatible components separately that typically intimidates FPV beginners. Brushless motors deliver significantly more power and responsiveness than toy-grade drones, giving genuine practice for real FPV flying technique. The durable frame with integrated propeller guards survives the frequent crashes that come with learning acrobatic flight maneuvers. The FPV goggles provide a genuinely immersive first-person flying perspective, transmitting live video feed directly from the drone's camera. Multiple flight modes allow progression from beginner-friendly stabilized flight to full manual acro mode as skills develop. Battery life covers reasonable practice sessions, and the affordable, complete kit pricing makes entering the FPV hobby significantly more accessible than assembling a custom build. For teenagers and adults wanting to learn genuine FPV piloting skills, the BETAFPV Cetus Pro is the most complete, most beginner-accessible entry point available in 2026. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because drone deals move fast. If this helped you find the right drone, smash that like button and subscribe to TechMag for honest tech and gear reviews every week. See you in the next one.